What's good, y'all? It's your girl Ari, and I'm gonna be getting into another video today. I'm gonna be giving y'all a one-on-one whole room tour. It's an extra room in my house that I decided to use as a whole studio. So I added some finishing touches over the weekend, and I thought that this would be a perfect time to let you guys see what I got going on in there. So now we're gonna get into the video.
Catching feelings. So when I sit down and I walk and I tick tock and I catching feelings. I come for this one. Sign me up. I come for this one.
I really feel like I'm on an episode of MTV Cribs right now. So welcome to my crib, y'all. We in my post studio at the moment. Let me stop. But you see everything is cute and dainty, and I went for white, gold, kind of like neutral tones, and I have these canvas on the walls that are pink, blue, and black. I think I got this from TJ Maxx, but Chanel was just giving the vibe in here. So over here I have Chanel number 5, the perfume, and I like this canvas because the pink and blue glows under black light. And then I have a white lightning bolt, which I got from Five Below. And down here I have a fig leaf plant, and this is actually real. I hope that it gets bigger than this, but we'll see. Then I had to get me a Himalayan pink salt lamp because y'all know Himalayan pink salt always is good to set the vibe. So for my curtains, I actually added these on with command hooks, and it came out better than expected. It really held up. So I spray painted them gold to go with the theme of the room. So I also went and added some fairy lights, and I thought that it gave a nice touch to the room. I just went and twisted it in between the curtain rod on the top because I didn't know if this is how I wanted to leave it or I wanted to switch it up and change it another way. But I'm going to show how it looks with the lights on at the end of the video. So next I have my ottoman, which I got from Wayfair. I'm going to have everything linked in the description box, including the lights. So in here, I just have some essentials. I have some pole grip. I have some air freshener. This pole grip I don't really like too much. It's really sticky. When I used it at a pole studio class, it worked really good, but I guess it was because it was freezing cold in there. And then I have a fan, and I just keep it in there and use it when I need it. And this ottoman has 2 sides, so it has a soft side that's more plush, and it has a firm side right here, and you can put your water, books, anything like that on there. So I just went and got me a cream chair, and this also has gold legs, and that's from Wayfair. This closet just has a bunch of essentials for me working out, from like gloves to like bands. I'm not gonna open it because it's a little messy, but you get the idea. So I have 2 yoga mats on the floor because I like to double them. I have a foam pad for my knees and foam blocks. And this is a tapestry that I've had with me since my first apartment. I think that was like in 2016. So this thing has been with me through every apartment, and it's still here. So this is actually a fake plant. It's wisteria silk. I got it because it matches the tapestry and just goes with the overall ambience of the room. You can't tell me that it doesn't look realistic, and the thing is you can use it indoor or outdoor. So I'm also going to have this linked in the description box if you want to get you one, and it's 6 foot, so it's bigger than it looks on video. Then my pole is from no other than X Pole, and they're the leading in competition poles, so that's the reason why I chose them. On top of my last apartment having extra high ceilings, and I just didn't trust the attachment. And then this is me in the mirror. I love this mirror that I got from Wayfair because it has a gold trim and it has like the rounded arch on top. So everybody has these shelves right here, and these are from IKEA. It's the lac shelf. So I have my Celine and my Louis wallet up there. And then on the second shelf, I have some of my favorite dancing heels. And these are just some classic pleasers. So on this shelf, I have a yoga die, which I got from Five Below. And it has like all different types of yoga poses. So namaste, downward facing dog, warrior, just to name a few. And you could just throw it on the floor like this and pick your yoga pose right then and there. I just thought it was cute. So let me go put that back. Then I have this sign that says hustle makes it happen. Just a daily reminder that you gotta do what it do, okay? And then I got this timer from TJ Maxx. I think it's 30 minutes. And I just thought that it fit the vibe in here. So on this shelf, I have my blue snowball mic. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't used this thing in a while. But I used to use it for narrations and also gaming. And next to it, I usually put the camera that I'm filming on right here. And then I have a gold Lotus candlelight holder, and next to it I usually put my speaker, my JBL, and then on the next shelf I have a Hello Kitty. This thing is an ancient relic. I don't even know how long I've had this for, but I just have that there. And then I have some sand that I got from when I went to Cancun. So on the last shelf, I have this fan that one of my homegirls got me. So it's compact, you could fold it up or you could take it out like this. And you can also extend the top, but I didn't do that here because I was holding the camera. And yeah, it has 3 settings and it also has a remote and a charger. So to make the room look more upscale, I got these puck lights from Ross. And it was about, I believe, like $7 and some change. And I got 6 of them. But wait. Now I gotta turn off the light. Like, y'all gotta see how this really look fire. Like, what? Okay. All right, I know that I'm gonna end up switching up these shelves and putting different things on it, but I just don't know what. Leave a comment and let me know what you think I should put on there. So this is my projector lamp. We're gonna get into that. So now for the fairy lights, I have them on blue right now. I'm gonna switch up the colors so y'all can see the different options that y'all have. But this is my fig leaf plant. And surprisingly, it's doing good in here in partial sunlight. I don't put it directly in the sunlight because it would get scorched. But yeah, I might change the pot. Now you know you gotta have your handy dandy ring light. This is from Newer. And I have some ankle weights down here. I think they're 5 pounds. On top of the Himalayan pink salt lamp, just adding a glow to the room. It helps to purify the air. As promised, we're gonna get back into the fairy lights. So I'm gonna show y'all all my remotes for the lights over here. So in order to stick these to the wall, I use Velcro dots because they do not damage the walls. And these are pretty cheap. I only had them because I used to teach in the school, and yeah, I was like, let me just use these. So I'm gonna get right into it and just switch the colors up. So now we got red. You can also switch it to purple, blue, yellow, green, rainbow, but I don't really use this one because it gives Christmas vibes. And they have white, and you can also change the speed of the lights. All right, so let me turn that off. So the second remote is gonna be for the puck lights. So 1 and 2, and the lights are off. So the next lights are gonna be the LED strip lights. And let me tell y'all, I was in here being Bob the Builder. Now let me stop, it's really not that hard. I just stuck them around the perimeter of the room this is the only side of the room that doesn't have the lights. That's why I put the tapestry, but it's real simple. The only thing that's annoying is using the remote sometimes changing the colors is delayed because I had to use 2 different sets of lights, and that was because of the length of the strip. So for example, let's say I wanted to change the LED strip lights to blue. You see how quick and simple that is? And it has the same color scheme as the fairy lights. The only thing that's different about the LED lights is you could change them to flash depending on the bass or like the beat of the music that you're playing. So you see me in the mirror looking a hot mess, but this is the projector lamp in the back. You probably can't really see a difference in the room, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on the ceiling. And it's so pretty. Like, I wish that it was darker so y'all could really get the full effect, but y'all see what it looks like. And you could turn off the stars, the little green stars as well. So it just really depends on my mood and the type of vibe that I'm going for. If you made it to this part, you made it towards the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope you have a blessed and prosperous rest of the day. You could have been doing so much stuff right now, but you decided to watch my video, and that means a lot to me. So just let me know what you think, comment, and share if you care. See y'all in the next video.
Same broke, she have to do it out. And if she screw, she get a box on her dirty mouth. But this can't real. Audacity must bumbo clad free.